a very, very special award for somebody very, very special. But first, let me do a kids, adults, legends comparison for you guys to underline what I'm talking about. Being viral on social media with a character that you create is, well, kids. There are many such virals going around. Going continuously viral on social media with that character is definitely adults, because the audience sure loves you. But going so very viral that your character is converted into a full-fledged feature film, getting a theatrical release is totally legendary. Humble politician Nagraj is one such character. What started off as a character making rounds on WhatsApp became so very big that there was a film made around this particular character. This must be the first instance ever in the world where a social media character was given a film moving from the smallest screen to the largest screen. Danish Seth is the man behind the humble politician Nagraj.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, you can clap for me. You can, it's okay. So, music with flute and all playing, it's very interesting. Thank you very much, Outlook, for looking outside of Delhi and Bombay and for handing out a Bangalorean an award as well. It's a good feeling. When I actually started, 8 years ago with whatever I do, I don't think it's really the internet that's credited to the success of the film. We actually have a video that I think we can play, but before that, I'd really like you all to give the longest standing, most corrupt, most efficiently slacking system of our country, the entire political system. Let's give them a big round of applause, everybody. Because if they don't do what they do in a terrible manner, then I don't think I would have made this film. It all started out from my bedroom. I used to put this, for some weird reason, I used to have, I don't know why I had a wig at home, and I really don't know why I had a mustache. I'd stick it on, and I'd do this character called humble politician Nagraj. And I would touch upon different satirical subjects that were happening in the political spectrum of our country or in Karnataka. Like for example, at one time, they started burning, the Karnataka government changed the ministers. They gave 15 new guys a chance to be the ministers in the middle somewhere. People got offended and started burning buses and all that for that. I found it really stupid, but from Nagraj's perspective, it made sense because, see, I am also a politician, they are also politicians, but how come they are getting a chance and not me? See, we are all at the end of the day here only for making money, so give it to everybody, no? Don't make an injustice among politicians. So I started doing that, and it started really going crazy on the internet. A lot of people started seeing it and they said, hey, this is really cool. The journey continued from there, and then one day I was actually at the Museum of Sex in New York. Has anybody ever been to the Museum of Sex in New York? Just, okay, 2-3 people, and the others are all like culture shocked. My God, how can you go there? No, it's a nice place. So I went there, and I did a Facebook Live from that museum showing everything, saying, see, this is not our Indian culture. That is why we are not doing this in India. But the whole point was I wanted to show people the museum, and I realized at the end of that Facebook Live video, I had some insane number of views, and I see 30 Indian looking people running towards the Museum of Sex in New York. And I saw that they were running and they wanted to say hi. So I said hi, and they're like, oh my God, we really love this character Nagraj so much. I said, where were you guys? They were like, we were at work. I said, were you watching this content on your phone? They said, yeah, and we had to run out of there because our boss was peeping over our phone as well. So I just then realized that maybe it was time for me to go ahead and make a full-fledged film. We made a film called Humble Politician Nagraj in Kannada. It's a small regional film, but it did really well. We in fact premiered the film at the Times Square in New York. which made us the first regional film, from Kannada to actually premiere at the Times Square. It was such a proud feeling because when I went there, I saw like different movies playing, on that Regal Cinemas thing, and to see humble politician Nagaraj there on that big screen there was a beautiful feeling. We had a sold out show and all of that stuff. Can we actually just play that video? Do we have one? Because then I can also sell myself, na? Huh. Let's play that. No problem.
If you turn the electricity right now, I'm going to get my this. Sir, people are watching, sir. Sir, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಬೇಡ, sir. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಳಬೇಡ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. This for my mom. Baby, you count ma. 5 backwards. Count ma.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Slowly ma. Talk about your relationship.
Listen, Andrea,
You were
0104 fan. My name is Danish Seth. Namaskara, Bengal.
Paisa is problem.
no more.
Stop. Shooting, ah? Thank you. It almost feels like to sell myself to take this award. I should have just given myself one, yeah. But yeah, so this is the work, and that's why I'm here to take an award. There was a time, I've been working for 8 years on the internet. There were people getting awards earlier, and I had no awards whatsoever. Then I realized people who had awards were giving away their awards and getting popular on the internet. The problem is I didn't have an award to even return, so I finally have one now. I'm really happy. And to all the other winners, I know that sometimes publications and all of these, there is a political lining somewhere. If you want to return your award, let me know. I'll take it from you. I don't mind of you at all. Thank you very much. Thank you, Outlook. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'd now like to call Vaibhav sir on stage to
Okay.
please give me the award, sir. Please come, sir. Give me
Okay,
the
you
award.
Thank you for doing
Just
my
do it
job.
myself.
Great.
Thank you. So he's actually known me since I was, 13 years old? I was 13 at the MTV VJ Hunt. And 17 years later, I'm actually picking an award for him. I think that's really cool. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. 18 years, 16 years, 10 years. No, I wasn't 13 10 years ago. Thank you very much. Thank you.